Everyone, and welcome to the second tutorial on MongoDB series. In the previous video we did the basic installation and running of MongoDB server. Today we will be teaching you how you can insert new rows and view record. Like in MySQL server you have tables, in MongoDB server you have collections. You have documents and collection. Basically collection is just a group of documents. You can create a collection by first you have to select the database. I'm going to use test db. By running the command db you can confirm that you are in the correct db, and to create a collection you have to run the command db dot create collection by passing the parameter of the collection. For example, if you want to save users record, you can create a collection named users, and now your collection has been created. If you want to insert the record in this collection, you can do by db dot name of your collection, which is users, and by issuing the command insert. Now the insert command receive a parameter of object type which is similar as JavaScript object. You just have to tell the key value pairs of data. For example, I want to save name and age. I'm going to save name and age. Now a new row has been inserted. If you want to view all the record in this collection, you can do by just simple db dot name of your collection, which is users, and find. Now similarly, if you want to remove this collection, like we drop the table in MySQL server, you can remove this collection by db dot name of your collection users dot drop. Now this collection has been dropped. If you now insert a new if you want to view its record again, you will find an empty row because the collection hasn't exist anymore. So that's all for now in insert and view command. In the next tutorial we'll be teaching you how you can implement multiple functions in find. How you can implement the where clause in MySQL server. So that's all for now. Let me know if you face any issue. Thanks.